Yo, what's up, YouTube? My name's Alicia Way. I know you probably really don't know me. I get it. You're probably one of my subscribers and you got subscribed to my channel, not necessarily for me, but maybe for something else that you were attracted to my channel for. And so to you, I say, hey, my name's Alicio. Welcome to my channel. I thank you for subscribing, but I just wanted to do this video and let you know that I'm actually going to go ahead and officially launch my YouTube channel as a content creator, and actually really put an effort into doing YouTube videos and creating content. So yeah, it's 2020 now and I kind of put it off long enough. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of terrified to get in the YouTube world officially because YouTube can be kind of crucial, you dig? Like YouTube, a lot of people ain't got no filter, so when you jump in that YouTube world, you got to have your stuff together. So a lot of my holdup was really not having a decent camera, not having decent audio, lighting, things like that. But as of lately, probably I would say last couple months, I went ahead and got some things I kind of already had. I just didn't really know how to make it all work together, and I added some extra pieces, and I finally got a decent, it's not perfect, it's low-key, low-key janky, you get it, but I got a decent look for YouTube, a good enough look for YouTube. And a lot of YouTubers will tell you that the equipment don't matter, it's all about the content, which I think the equipment do matter, you dig, but content is king. So yeah, if you got some good content, then people will typically give you a pass on certain things. So yeah, so I just wanted to say, hey, I'm officially coming out as a content creator, as a YouTuber. Mama, I'm a YouTuber, mama. Nah, I'm playing. So yeah, and I just wanted to let you guys know that. And my channel, to be totally honest with you, another holdup was like, what do I want my channel to be about? You know what I'm saying? So I didn't really, I don't necessarily feel like I'm an expert in anything, but I said to myself, let me just get out there. A lot of YouTubers will tell you, just get out there and start creating videos, and then eventually you will carve out a lane for yourself. Sometimes that comes from the viewers. The viewers will start asking for certain content or start suggesting certain type of videos, and if you feel like I'm good in that lane, then I can start creating those type of videos, creating that type of content, and then voila, there you go. That's my niche or whatever you call it. So I mean, as of right now, I'm just gonna launch my channel as more like a personal branding channel, personal development channel. Of course, if you don't know, if you go on my channel, you will see I get into music. Music is one of the things I do, but I don't want my channel to be about music, you dig? So as you know, if you probably know already, I have a fasting video on my channel where I did a 21-day fast. That got me actually a lot of subscribers, and I actually did some other case studies with my channel using the OPC method, which means other people's content method, and that actually got me a lot of subscribers. So that's why I said you probably don't even necessarily know me. You probably just know me from some of the videos I uploaded or some of like my other content that's totally unrelated to content creation necessarily. So yeah, being said all of that, I'm going to really hone in on the content creation techniques and strategies, and really just try to really make a lane for myself and try to make some videos that will add value to your life, add value to my life. The cool thing about me launching a channel right now is that I don't really know a lot. I don't know much. I mean, I'm not trying to flex or put myself down or downplay nothing that I got going on, because in my head, I really feel like I don't know a lot about YouTube. I don't know really what makes it tick, what makes it work. There's a lot of things I'm learning. So what's cool about my journey right now is, and with you guys, as you follow me and as I follow you and we begin to interact with each other, you will literally watch me go from zero to hero. That's the goal, to go from zero to hero. So as I learn branding techniques, as I learn marketing techniques, as I learn content creation and just the different things, all the things that come with that arena, then I'm going to be super excited to share all that stuff with you. as well as if you have any tips, tricks, best practices. I would love if you share that stuff with me, because I'm the humblest dude when it comes to learning. You know what I'm saying? I will tell you quick. If you know something and I don't know it, please share it with me. And I like to pride myself on being a wealth of knowledge as well. And if I know something, I'm not a crab. There's a lot of crabs out there. You ask them, hey bro, how you do this? How you do this? And they be like acting all standoffish, like they don't want to share. Like it's cool though. We're gonna figure this thing out. We're gonna journey together. And so my channel, out the bat, it was going to be more like a personal development channel where I would talk about different things. I love alternative health, so I'll be talking about that, like I did a 21-day fasting video. I do some more videos like that. I actually just did a 7-day fast, so I'll be posting that video soon. Some other videos that pop off the top of my head that I know I can do right away is, on my YouTube journey to 1,000 subscribers. A lot of YouTubers have videos like that. Also, my journey to 10,000 subscribers, because I'm over 10,000 subscribers now. So I can do that video. I can also do my journey to monetizing my channel. I'm fully monetized now. So that's a video that I can do. And I can also do my journey to my first YouTube check. That's a good video. And my first 3 YouTube checks. So these are all beginner videos that I feel like I can crank out right away that will be super informative to other beginner YouTubers. And to be honest with you, man, the YouTube thing just kind of fell in my lap. I had a channel for a while, since 2008, and I didn't think much of YouTube. Honestly, it was just like, I put some videos up. I was just putting completely random videos up. Some was with my family, my music, vlogging, just all kind of stuff that wasn't really correlated. And I just always had my channel, and then I decided last year to monetize it. And it took me a while, I guess, to really start getting the traffic up on my page. But I will say I got my first check in September, right? Or September. It was one of those. I've gotten 3 checks, and I've almost averaged very, very close to $1,000 per check. So I'm looking at that like, well, you're gonna pay me almost $1,000 a month just to be a YouTuber, And as I begin to do my research, I'm seeing the guys are getting $10,000 a month, $15,000 a month, $20,000 a month, and they don't even have huge channels. These guys are like 50,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers. So I'm like really doing my homework, like what's really going on. So because you think that you have to have these millions of subscribers and all these things, but so many other factors and metrics come into play that if you really understand how YouTube works, which is what I'm trying to do, learn how it works, then you can really cash out on YouTube and don't really have a big brand or a big name. So all I said is, if I can almost get $1,000 per month for the last 3 months, and I ain't even doing YouTube videos, this is my first YouTube style type video that I'm doing right now. If I can get that, not even doing YouTube videos, then like 2020 is looking real bright. You dig? 2020, 2021, from here on out, I'm a YouTuber. We gonna make it work. So yeah, I have a lot of dope ideas for videos, especially for fellow content creators and creatives all together in general. So yeah, like I said, if you guys particularly see something that I do well and you want me to do a video on that, feel free to like hit me up and be like, yo, do a video on this. Like I'm actually dependent on my audience to help me be a better creator and content creator, so I can really hone in on a niche or a lane, whatever that may be, so I can really stand out in a particular way. You know what I'm saying? Instead of having such a broad channel, I don't mind necessarily getting into vlogging, because I do want to get into some vlogging. I want to have a fun channel. I don't want it to be like all super boring about serious stuff. There will be a lot of stuff on my channel that may be entrepreneur related, because I'm a aspiring entrepreneur myself, so we'll be getting into some of that kind of stuff. But I do want to do fun stuff, like trendy type stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's actually how you grow your YouTube channel. Have a portion of it be like trendy topics and riding in the trends, the search trends and things like that. So I may get into doing some reviews, some music reviews or movie reviews or product reviews. I'm not not super techie person, so I may when I do product reviews, it'll be more of the practical side of the product, not so much of the technical side of it. If you want the technical stuff and you're in the specs, this won't probably be the channel for you. But if you want to get some practical uses for tech devices, then I can give you some very practical uses, because by me not being so techie, I have to find ways to use the tech that's not so brainiac-ish. You know what I'm saying? Like, for instance, I'm using this Audio Technica AT2035, and it's hooked up to my cell phone. So a lot of people are not using their professional studio microphone with their cell phone, but I had to figure out how to do that, because I didn't like how the other microphones sound and things like that. So I can help you with practical techie stuff for practical uses on my channel. So yeah, I'll be getting, like I said, I'll be doing alternative health type topics. I'll be doing some entrepreneur type topics, some personal development type videos, and some practical tech reviews and product reviews, things like that. Just to start my channel. I'll also be doing some YouTube growth type videos, because I've considered myself, being that I pretty much, when I got serious about YouTube about 6 months ago, I gained like about 8,000 subscribers since I got serious about YouTube. About it was like summer. It was summer of 2019 when I kind of like the bell started going off. So I would say maybe 3 to 6 months ago, I got serious about YouTube, and since then I have amassed about 8,000 subscribers. So I know a little something about growth on YouTube, not a whole lot. So I want to really dive into YouTube strategies and techniques just for the everyday person, because there's a lot of guys on YouTube who's kind of sharing that information, but they're not really making it relatable to everyday people like me, who kind of just beginners in this thing. So yeah, man. So I don't want this video to go on too long, but just wanted to kind of do this video and go ahead and upload it to my YouTube as my first official YouTube video. I'm hoping and praying that in 2030, 10 years from now, because this is exactly January 2020, we'll come back January 2030, and we're gonna look at this video, and it's gonna be amazing, because I'm pretty sure by then my channel would have grown, my skills as a content creator would have grown. I'm really loving getting interested and showing interest in the whole digital marketing space. That's something that really just makes my mind start buzzing when I look at some of the things guys are doing in the digital marketing space, and how they just connect the dots in so many ways, and just essentially pull money out of thin air, and I find that so fascinating, that they can just set up certain marketing techniques and strategies to drive traffic to a site and target certain people, and next thing you know, they wake up in the morning and they got money in their account. And essentially I got a little taste of that via YouTube, because YouTube is one of the platforms where you wake up, you check your AdSense account, and like the other day I checked my AdSense account and it was $1,300 in there. So in a few days I'm gonna get a check from YouTube for $1,300, and essentially I don't feel like I even did anything for that money. So, YouTube and these other platforms, if you really learn how to monetize them, drive traffic, and optimize your social media channels, and get into email marketing and some of these different affiliate programs, like I'm really interested in that whole life. You dig? So I'm going to be learning how to do that stuff. And that's what I'm saying. I'm going to be sharing that information with you guys, and you're going to literally get to see me go from zero to hero, because I'm so interested in that. And I've invested some money in some programs and some software, and I'm just all about that going forward. So like I said, in 2030, we're going to look back at this channel, look at this video. I'm kind of doing this video with the foresight that I'm going to start beasting in the future. And, it's a very humbling thing. Like when you look back some of the big YouTubers right now, and you just go to their page and scroll down all the way to the bottom to their first videos, it's a very humbling experience. And you see how their setup was and things like that, and it wasn't like the best setup, but their determination pushed through, and now they're making millions of dollars on YouTube, and it's all started from a single video and them just being persistent. So yeah, that's another video I'll probably do too, my YouTube setup, which as you see is not much. It's a very basic setup, but I did some minor things that I acquired that actually make my video look like it's what you see on YouTube right now, you dig? So cool. All right, so this video went on a little longer than I want to. This is probably going to be my video trailer for a little while until I get a little more professional look or a little more professional video trailer. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And yeah, I'm gonna get to uploading some videos. Let me know what you want to see or hear from me or learn from me, and we can learn together. That's what it's all about. We're gonna learn together, and I'm super excited. So I can actually say this. It feels kind of weird, but if you are not subscribed to my channel, or if you come across this video and you're not subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Just feels weird. It's my first time ever saying that. Yeah, and hit the notification. Is that what they say? They say hit the notification bell, you know, so you can be notified whenever I drop a video. So that, yeah, that definitely feels weird. So I don't know if I'm gonna be a YouTuber that says that every video. That's just, it seems redundant, and like, duh, we know that, you know, if I like your content, I'm gonna subscribe. So you don't have to tell me. So I don't know, maybe I should say it, because people think it's like a thing where you have to say it. Maybe it's like a mental thing that you're reminding people that they need to do it, and it's like, oh, okay, yeah, I do need it. Sometimes I guess people can't get into your content so much that they just draw into your content, and then they see the next video in the browser, they click on it, and now they can't go back to your video because they don't remember who you are. So I guess I will say it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. Please leave comments. I love comments. I love responding to all comments that I can. And man, I'm excited, and I'm on YouTube. Let's do this. All right, y'all. Peace.